guys, it is Willow. Today I am alone in this video, and today I am going to be showing you how to make your own soap. So let's do it. What you're gonna need is a bowl, a spoon, some soap, clear soap or aloe vera soap, a flour of your choice, and water. So first, you open the soap, put it in here, and squeeze it all out. Ha. And we're gonna put our final product in here again. Wow, I just noticed how much soap is in one bottle. Wow, that's so much. It looks like slime. Okay, now what you're gonna do is get the water, put this in the side, and then you crumble it like this, break it. Sorry, flour, I'm killing you. It gets a little messy sometimes. Okay, now what we're gonna do is get the spoon and mix it all up, just like that. Oh my god, that smells so good. Okay. Now you're gonna put the water with your flowers in the soap. Okay. Ooh. And now let's mix. Wow. So pretty. And now get all the excellent. I forgot one more thing. You need baking soda. So let's just open this real quick. Okay, I got it weirdly open, but then yeah, that much. Then you mix it. Ooh. It looks so pretty and it smells so good. Now let this sit for 10 minutes. So after you wait 10 minutes, wow, look how beautiful it looks. You're gonna still need your bottle because you're gonna put it back in your bottle, another bowl, and this, I don't know what it's called. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this thing on the bowl, and when you use the soap, it might feel like a little crunchy, but it's because of the baking soda. So yeah. So okay, so be careful not to get it right here because it will spill all over your table or whatever you're using.
Mom, how many cups
pour
are
it.
4 cups? 8 cups?
And then all the juice and soap will go in the bowl, and the flowers will stay on here, slowly going inside the bowl. So we're gonna wait until that is finished. So now, get all that flour. You can put it in your hands if you want to, because oh my gosh, that was so cool. So what you're gonna do, put it back in this bowl, the bowl that you were using in the beginning, and then take this off, and then carefully, fastly put it to your sink. I'm gonna do that right now. Look how pink it is! Wow. Okay, so first, put your flowers in here. Make it a little messy. I'm gonna get a towel real quick. Now, let's do that. Okay, so I got a funnel, so it won't it'll be less filling. It'll still be filling. Oh. See, look, that's what I'm talking about.
That's because there's chicken in there that you probably want to get that. Because we literally just walk in the door and start seeing it.
So this happened, a huge mess happened. So if you have a bigger funnel than that, then please use that bigger funnel. But it worked at least. Okay, I cleaned that mess. Oh, I just went to the bathroom. I'm going to use this soap. Wow, it feels so good. It is like tiny stuff that makes it crunchy. Oh my gosh, it smells like flowers. Alright guys, that is how you make your own special soap. Subscribe to this channel. Click the notification button to get notified every time I post a video. And like this video if you like it and like the recipe. And please don't make a mess like I just did. That was kind of a fail. But I hope you like this video. I hope you're watching more videos. Bye!